Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Destiny 2 beta. I am Death from Above. So I got a quick fix for you guys for the Weasel error code that a lot of you have been getting. I know I've been getting it every time I play, and it's more of a workaround than a quick fix because I don't know that there is an actual fix on your end that you can do. I've tried resetting my router, and we'll see if that works. But every other thing I've done in the system, I know people that have uninstalled and reinstalled the beta, who have reset all their systems, all their PlayStation, all their router, everything. Doesn't fix it. Anytime, so here's what the issue is. Anytime you go to your character and inspect a weapon, or anytime you're playing an activity and you get a drop, it weasels you out of the game. Like you go all the way back to the start screen for the beta. So, we're going to test it right now. I've reset my router, and let's see. So, and boom, Weasel error. All I did was inspect the gun, and it weasels me right back to the menu screen. So, here's what you can do. And it does kind of limit you in your gameplay, but until Bungie puts a fix in, or shows us how to fix it, what I've been doing is I will go into the game. You can change your gear, but you cannot inspect anything. So if you want to get into the gun menus or the gear menus and look at things, don't do it. You can't. It's going to weasel you every time, or at least it does to me. So figure out which guns you want to use. Obviously, you can't change the perks or the setups or the sights or anything like that. But go in and figure out what guns you want to use for the activity. Play the activity. You can go in your menus and you can switch things around during the activities. But don't inspect anything. As soon as you do, you're going to get booted to the menu screen. One caveat to this is the opening mission when you start a new character. You're going to have to pick up that exotic weapon, so it's going to weasel you at that point. But once you start it again, you already got that weapon, so when you pick it up again, it doesn't weasel you. So for whatever reason, that's a connection that you can do. So you can finish that mission the second time. And then any activity, the strike or PvP, once you get to that final point when you're going to get the loot drop, it's going to kick you. So just expect to be kicked, but as long as you don't go into your menus and inspect anything, you won't kick yourself, and you will still get the drop. So if you want to use a certain gun or you want to grind for something just to try it out in the beta, you can still do that because your gear drops still do happen. You're just going to be sent back to the start screen. You're going to have to re-log in. It's a little frustrating, but that's the best solution I have right now. Hopefully in the next day or two, Bungie will put out a patch or a fix that will fix this, and it'll be better. I may not expect anything till Friday, but hopefully it doesn't happen to me on Xbox. It's just a PlayStation issue. So that's my fix. Let me know if you've got a better solution, but that's what I got for you right now, and that's what I know that's happening. So don't inspect your gear, and just you know, every time you finish an activity, you just need to plan for that activity to kick you back to the menu screen, which is not a big deal. It just, you know, wastes a lot of time. So that's all I got. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Let me know what you think. Give me some feedback if this helps you in any way. I hope it did. But until next time, I am Death from Above, and I will see you later. See ya, bye.